Got the morning fog burning off, starting up around Victoria. Got all the southbound vessels, they stop for us, so not a bad deal. A little hazy this morning, or foggy actually. But see, we're coming up around Victoria right now. Oh, it's gonna be a pretty morning. Pretty morning. Fog burning off, rolling in and out, kind of actually. But I can see all the way across the river over there. Anyway, not too bad running northbound. That's my morning. Pretty cool this morning. See as I'm coming up around Victoria, but just running around the outer edge of the fog bank. Just running the outer edge of the fog bank there. Kind of cool. With the sun coming up. Anyway, pretty morning. I thought that was kind of neat. Kind of neat looking. Just running right around the edge of it. We are up out of there. Up out of the turn. Look, but it's beautiful. Look at that. Real pretty morning. Fog, you see the fog just kind of burning off. Beautiful, beautiful morning. I mean, beautiful. Got the old girl shoving. Listen to her sing. The pinks and the blues and the fog burning. Kind of neat looking. Actually real neat looking. Anyway, Victoria Bend, top side. A very pretty morning. Morning fog burning off. And the sun rising behind. Kind of cool looking morning. That's a trip. That is a trip looking. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful morning.